Today we are going to look at how to stop panicking and use a downward market to make money. Our industry expert Mr. Satish Prabhu will share his wisdom with you.
While you cannot make money when the markets are going down, but you can keep everything ready, by investing more in a down cycle. And I would never lose a down cycle, because the more you invest, and I gave this example of COVID, that the more you invest, better the power of compounding that can help you when the markets rise. So you may not be able to make money when the market is in that phase, but you will certainly be able to recover much more of that. And I showed you one of those charts when on various events, that the moment the cycle turns, then your returns will again start looking better. So I would say that never lose the opportunity of investing in a down cycle.
Thanks for your detailed explanation. Are you in search of a personal guide who can remove the stress of handling your finances? Then please feel free to avail our expert consultation. And also you can attend our webinars to gain investment related insights. Both the consultation and webinar are absolutely free, and you can find the link in the below description. Please like and share, and do subscribe to Holistic Investment.